Now we're gonna check how to retrieve important posts on Twitter. I'm gonna click here on Twitter search. Okay, so content search. I expand this Twitter search, and here, for example, you can input golf. I'm gonna click on search. So if you're promoting on golf, you see here a lot of posts. Okay, you can see here you can view if you want, okay, or you can post the same as you did for the other posts. Okay, you choose a group or a fan page of you, and then this is the tweet, the text, and again you decide if to schedule or not this. Okay, and this is the tweet, as you can see. Okay, so it's an amazing tool. Okay, you see how many retweets and many favorites, and you can do the same. You post this on your Facebook pages or into groups.